Counterfeit postage causes a multi-million-dollar revenue loss to the United States Postal Service every year. Scammers peddle fake stamps on the internet, often at huge discounts of up to 50%. That's a sure sign that the stamps are fake. Now, postal inspectors are seeing an increase in counterfeit postage labels appearing on packages. Individuals often looking for work-at-home job opportunities are sent postage labels electronically. Often, they are sent from a foreign phone number. These labels are counterfeit. If you use these fake labels, you are committing a federal crime. On some reshipping scams, the merchandise being reshipped is stolen. That crime is compounded when counterfeit postage labels are used. Don't get caught up in a scam like this. Don't buy or use counterfeit postage labels or stamps. Counterfeit stamps, sellers, and vendors using counterfeit postage can be reported to postal inspectors at USPS.gov/report.